This 2023 Forest River Salem 261BHXL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 28 feet 4 inches in length and features sleeps 8 and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Forest River Salem 261BHXL is 4,715 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.